Good.
Yes! It has Moana 2 glasses. The new movie. You have to check the movie out now. I watched it. See? Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. Over here.
Wrong.
We'll go over here.
Wrong. Good.
Yes! Look, it's a color and sticker activity set.
Okay.
It's 32 coloring pages and 50 plus stickers.
Wrong. Wrong. Good.
Give me the present. Give me now before it blasts. Wait a minute, I don't understand this. Let me check it out. Oh, wait a minute. We could style it. We could style all the dresses. Okay,
Okay.
Wrong.
blue one then, because that's my answer.
Good.
Yes, 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 give me.
Nice job.
Good. Good job, Heavenly.
I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Okay.
Good job, Heavenly.
Nice job.
It has lip gloss. It has chapstick. It has a ring, and it has nail polish. No. I am so excited for that $20. I'm gonna get some more. Okay, bye guys. Thank you, God, for help. Okay, I just wanted to tell you I was gonna talk about my present, so let's do it. These are Moana 2 glasses. Girl palette. Okay, it's a little dark, but I'm gonna wear it for summer. You must get one. This is a surprise. I used to call it like that, but it's called Kinder Joy. It's a treat and a toy. Okay. For $20, I want to go to the movies. I want to go to McDonald's, Wendy's. Wendy's are my favorite. Going to Chick-fil-A. Okay, that's okay. This is a Hello Kitty purse. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be like that. I forgot to show you. Yeah. Okay, this is one of my best presents. But look, this is a fashion thing, which is the best. And look, you can even play with this fidget like that. And look, it's called Fashion Stuff. That is fashion stuff. Look. Fashion glasses, necklace, beautiful shoes, hearts, jewelry, and some accessories, headbands, earrings. Yeah! And there's stencils when you want to trace stuff.
Okay.
There's this sketch. And then this sketch. Wait a minute. Next time we could try a challenge on Steven. Okay, well this is the first one. And look, wait a minute. I see stuff. Look. Papers. Wow. This is a paper. Look. Okay. This is I'm good at drawing. I'm gonna color this. I wish I could be fast at coloring so I could color all of it. Okay. I'm gonna color something. It's Ariel. And look. I'm gonna have to do an answer. Yeah. Are you gonna like my drawing? I just wanted to tell you, I love color. And I love drawing. So I'm gonna do this.
Wow.
Real. Now. Yeah. Have you watched Ariel before? Write down in the comments. Okay. I think green plus the blue equals turquoise. Oh, it's just like it. Okay. Okay. Blue plus pink equals purple. Red for her hair. I know you guys know her hair is red in the movie. Almost done with her hair. Okay, her lips are red. Lips.
Excellent.
Lippies. That is funny.
Woohoo!
I think I'm almost done coloring her. For real. It looks turquoise. I should have colored that for the tail.
Yeah!
Oh, sometimes we make mistakes. It's okay. This pink looks like a peach color, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah. It looks like she got sunburned. Like, why would I do this? It really looks like she got sunburned. I thought it was peach, but it's not. But still we make mistakes, yeah. I'm not gonna color this, so yeah. But I just want to ask you a question. Okay. Help Ariel count seashells and starfish around her. Write the number in the box. Okay, here it is. Okay, bye guys, but please subscribe now.